There are two free tools that you need for this project. The first one will be TubeBuddy and the second one will be iMovie or OpenShot. So TubeBuddy is the tool that we are going to use for tagging and rank our video higher so that people get to click and view our video much more easily on YouTube. Second, iMovie or OpenShot. If you are using Mac, you will need iMovie, and if you are using Windows, you can download OpenShot, which is an easy and simple video editing tool. I will leave the link at the reference section in this video, so make sure that you download this tool before moving to the next video. I will see you on the next video. So in this course, our project is to create a motivational video, as it is the easiest to create and are in very high demand on YouTube. So in order to create a motivational video on YouTube, we need two things. The first thing, 100% copyright free videos and 100% copyright free audio. I will show you exactly where to get all this, so do not worry at all. So first thing first, we are going to a website called Pixabay. In this website, 80% of the videos and photos over here are 100% copyright free without giving any attributions to the owner, that you can use it for free. I have also included a list on the next lecture on all similar websites where you can get 100% copyright free material. And one of it consists of 10 over 1,000 of 100% free copyright videos where you can use freely anywhere and get monetized by YouTube. So make sure you check out the list. Videos that I love to use on my YouTube videos when creating motivational types video are drone footage and also workout videos. Most of the drones video will give us the feeling or the sense of freedom and relief, while the workout videos will give us the feeling of determination to go through hardship, embrace failure, and to make things happen. I really love these two types of videos. So just type in drones on this search box. As you can see, there are tons of video that you can pick from. So just choose the video that you want. Let me see. I will just choose this video. So as you can see over here, it says free for commercial use and no attribution required. What does this mean? All content on Pixabay can be used for free for commercial and non-commercial use across print and digital, except in the cases mentioned in what is not allowed. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the contributor or Pixabay is not necessary, but is always appreciated by our community. You can make modifications to content from Pixabay. What is not allowed? This section only applies to image user and not to the appropriate image author. Don't redistribute or sell someone else's Pixabay images or videos on other stock or wallpaper platform. Don't sell unaltered copies of an image. Example, sell an exact copy of our stock photos as a poster, print, or on a physical products. Don't portray identifiable people in a bad light or in a way that is offensive. Don't use images with identifiable brands to create a misleading association with a brand or service. So in short, you can use this video freely as long as you do not do anything that is not on the not allowed section. So just click on free download. Next, let's pick up a workout video. So this looks fine to me. As you can see, no attribute needed, and let's download it. Alright, so we have the videos and now let's get some audios. YouTube itself has tons of background music for us to use and it is 100% for free. So just Google YouTube audio library and just click on the link over here and you will get to see tons of audio that you can use. Okay, very first thing that we want to do over here is to go to attributions and select no attribution needed. So for motivational video, I will choose something that is much more cinematic. Let's give this a try. Not really good. Maybe we want something that is much more uplifting bit. I mean, it really depends on you. You might spend a good 5 minutes on choosing the audio. So let's choose this. This is not too bad. Let's download this. So now we have videos that we need, the background audio. And next, what we want is someone that will speak about all this motivational stuff. All you need to do is go to archive.org. So 90% of the audio over here is 100% copyright free. Click on all audio. So we are looking at something that is more positive speech that able to motivate us. Just type in positive over here. So there are tons of audio that you can use, and scroll down and select English. If you want it on different languages, then you just select the language that you want. But for now, I will just choose English. So there are tons of audio that you can select from. Let me just try this positive affirmations compilations. So just click on it and listen to it.
You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment.
Very good, not too bad. The next thing that you want to check for is this copyright. So you are free to share and adapt as well. So this is what we want. Okay, let's click on this MP3. Right click and save as MP3. So now you already have the video, the background music, and also the voice. On the next lecture, we are going to learn how to combine everything. I will see you soon.